What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I'm going to show you how to keep your headphones at the ready. So if you have a headset, whether it's a headset for taking phone calls or doing webinars or conference calls or recording audio or just listening to things privately, or maybe you're a gamer and you have a gaming headset, it's always nice to have a place where you can put that headset and have it accessible, ready, and convenient. Oh, this thing isn't even open. I gotta tear it open like that. So I picked this up. It's by Tidy. And what it is a headset holder that you can clip on to a desk or a shelf, right? So this is all plastic. It's actually pretty light. You can see here we've got a little beveled edge, kind of a matte finish. We have the clamps right here with a little rubber circular pad on the inside. And it looks like this is spring loaded. You can see it kind of moving on that track right there. So there's springs in it like this. So you put your shelf or your desk edge in there so it can go pretty wide. Look at that. I mean, that's probably about 1.5 inches, I'd guess. So it can't go any bigger than that, but it can't go any smaller than maybe 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch there. And then what you have is a hanger, a little curved edge here with a lip for your headphones. You can just hang them on there. And you might be saying, well, they're kind of facing the wrong way. Well, one, you can put it under your desk and have the headphones on the inside, but you can also, it looks like there's a little kind of a guide for the cord, but I think I can pull this down and reverse it. Oh, you don't even have to pull it down. It just moves. Guess I was doing that unnecessarily. And they're a little detents, so you can kind of put it in the angle that you want and have it stay there. So let's install this and see if it works. So for now, I'm just going to try this desk shelf here and just put these right there just like that. Push them on. It's pretty easy. And then I can take this set of gaming headphones and just drape them over there, and boom, look at that. Doesn't get any easier than that. At the ready. So if you want to pick up this little headphone hook for your office, desk, wherever, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.